For amigurumi, it is all about the hook size and also about personal tension. This ball and this ball are supposed to be exactly the same size. This was done by the original designer that makes amigurumi for a living. You can tell how tight she is, and also I'm using the same hook, but this is mine, and you can tell how loose I am. So what it comes down to is hook size and being able to change the size so that you can have the really perfect idea. If you look really carefully, you will see stuffing in between each one of the stitches, where here it's pretty much invisible. Let's take a look at another sample. In this sample, this is Pirate Pete. This was not a free pattern, but I got, and what you can really see if you really look carefully is that the stuffing has been blown out between the stitches, and when you look at it from this perspective, you can really clearly see the stuffing inside. So when I was doing this for my very first amigurumi, I was not paying attention to the size. I did not have the yarn that was suggested, so I just used some regular yarn I had access to, and I matched the yarn that was on the ball band. The thing about amigurumi is that you need tightness, so whatever that suggestion is, you need to seriously go down to a small hook so that you will not see any of the stuffing that's being blown through. Let me show you one more thing. So here, this is my sample here. You can see that my hook size is pretty significant. This character is almost 3 times bigger than it should be because I was not paying attention to hook size. But if you look at this sample here, I bought this one online completely done. You can see how tight the stitches are. You cannot see any stuffing at all, versus something like this where you see the stuffing through. So the hook size in amigurumi really truly matters. And also, do you see the firmness of the neck? There is no firmness, and that all comes down to your hook size on providing nice tension.